What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So in this video I'll be making a very exotic Spanish guitar beat from scratch in Cubase Pro 10.5. I haven't updated to Cubase 11 yet. I'm waiting for the sales, of course. Happy New Year, guys. 2020 was a challenging year for almost everybody, and I hope you guys have learned something new this year and use that to improve your life in 2021. I'm sure everything's going to be fine. I wish you guys the best, and thank you so much for the love, for the support, for the likes, for the comments and everything. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right in. In this video I'm gonna make a Spanish guitar beat. I'm sure you guys are aware that I really like to make Spanish and Arabic kind of music. I'm really drawn to their kind of melodic scales. Let me make the kind of beat that I like, okay? Anyway, so I'm gonna start this beat with drum patterns. So let's go ahead and find a cool kick sound. Okay, the tempo of this song is set to 122. I don't want it to be too fast. I'm gonna draw in the pattern for the kick. Okay, very simple pattern, you know. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna change the end kick pattern. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go ahead and find some snap. Let's record it. Okay, I'm gonna quantize and I'm gonna add swing, and I'm gonna adjust the level. And I'm also gonna add reverb. Cool, I like that. And I'm gonna select all and press Ctrl D to duplicate. And I'm gonna loop this guy. And at the end here, I'm gonna just change the pattern of the kick a little bit more. Okay, now we're gonna add hi-hat, of course, and I'm gonna draw the pattern as well. Yep, simple pattern, but I'm gonna shorten this hi-hat. I don't want it to be too long. That's good. Okay, let's add some kind of percussion. Okay, and for the hi-hat, I'm gonna just pan it to the right, and the shaker to the left. Now let's bring in the melodic instrument. Okay, I'm gonna use guitar for this beat. Okay, I like that. Okay, I like these melodies. I'm just gonna adjust the rhythm here. I'm using triplet here, so I have to be careful when I quantize. Okay, I'm just gonna copy and paste it over, you know, because it's gonna take a long time to edit it one by one. Okay, I'm gonna keep that melody. Okay, now I'm gonna add the chord. I'm gonna use the guitar as well. I'm gonna use a different guitar for the chord. That's okay, I can quantize. Okay, that sounds good. So the chord is fine. Let's add in the synth. Okay, this synth is only going to play the chord. Now we're going to add an 808. Okay, let's try that. Okay, that's cool. Very simple 808 bass line. Okay, so I'm gonna just mute this guy. Okay, I'm gonna keep this chord. Okay, so only with a few instruments you can make a really catchy and fuller beat. I hope you guys find some value in this video. I hope you enjoyed this beat. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that like button, turn on notification, and share this video to everybody, right? And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all. I see you guys in the next video.